Hi dears, welcome to our channel. Making at the ACP Signage advertising board. Materials used to make this board. Structure 1-inch oil mist square pipe. Background board using aluminium composite panel, ACP sheet, LED signage using materials. Samsung 3-dot modules 1.8W, mail letter, Malaysian important. Acrylic 0 point for flex material is used for back close. This is an LED black light UV flex board. For inch depth GI sheet with MRS coating is used for side closing. GI sheet is used for back closing, but an LED is used for internal lighting. This is a non-scratch sticker. Checking if everything is working before installation. The board is transported to the site for fixing. board is transported to the site for fixing. Going on the site ... Holding clamps to fix the board. Holding clamps to fix the board. Complete the installation. Final output. Contact us for your similar advertising needs. Contact 9043683989. Thank you for watching.